Pete Ajello coming to you live here. We're off of Linton Beach Boulevard. We're at Brain Spine Center, new location here. And this is a hell of a job that very proud of the crews and everybody. Debbie, Dawn, my mother, my brothers, my nephew, Sebastian, the crews that worked hard on this. Johnny Tiles, removing the tiles. We had a full staff. There's a full renovation, baseboards, paintings, everything. Gave it everything that we have here. The floor is phenomenal. This is the color Whale. We actually did some bathrooms in this color that were made by a designer from a company that we did called Fortnite. And it was a very beautiful color that they handpicked. And we use this color a lot. Occasionally when people like it. It's not for everybody, it's on the darker side. A lot of people like to use grays and things like that. But anyway, this is great for the, for what this is in this office area. Let me show you the bathrooms. Here we go. Okay. So in the bathrooms, instead of doing metallic, we did the chip. And that worked very good for us here because it's more. There's going to be more water in there. It's not as decorative. It's not as a decorative finish. This product here is over 10,000 psi's after installed. We import this from Quebec, Canada. So these chips actually are an 1/8 of an inch versus a 1/4 of an inch, which makes them a little bit more looking like Terrazzo. So it's a really nice look, and for the bathroom, it's going to hold the durability and everything else. So come with me. Here we go. Another beautiful bathroom. Transition's incredible. Okay, unbelievable. Great place to go to the bathroom. Very, very clean, neat, and tight. It's always important, to have a nice clean outing when you go. This is the floor. Phenomenal. Phenomenal. So these are more of the common areas throughout. We did metallic. And all the different rooms. Now these rooms are probably going to be x-ray rooms and surgery rooms. So once again, we did the chip in here, but we did my version of the chip, which is an 1/8 of an inch. So it doesn't look like a garage, it looks more like an office. We've done this in several dentist offices now, orthodontist office. We're continuing to do offices with this chip because it's, as you can see, it does not look like a garage, and it's very shiny and it's slip resistant. And at the same time, this is what you're working with. And these rooms here, once again, surgical, epoxy chip, 1/8 of an inch. And that's what makes them so spectacular because you're using a smaller chip. It's a vinyl chip that we bring in from Wisconsin. And these rooms here were metal rooms. Hey Doc, how you doing? And these had metal on the floor. These were radiation rooms, which we did a skim coat over and went ahead and completed also the chip, and we did it throughout. But that's what we're working with. This is Pete Ajello coming to you live, satin finish concrete, and this is a spectacular, spectacular floor, and just so proud of the guys, and all the crews came in here and did exactly what they were supposed to do, finished on time, and that's how we do it.